Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Fedora 36 on your Windows subsystem for Linux 2 on Windows 11? You can now run Fedora 36 on your WSL 2 installation on Windows 11. Let us show you how. For this to work for you, you must have installed Windows Subsystem for Linux on your Windows 11 operating system. We have already have it. You can watch the video being shown in video cards to install WSL 2 on Windows 11. Update your WSL kernel before moving ahead with this simple command. We are already updated. Check yours. Now open your internet browser and navigate to Fedora website for downloading the root file system. The link is also given in the description. Download the correct and updated Fedora 36 root file system as shown. This should download soon. It's done. Open the Downloads folder. Rename the archive to a simpler name. Open it with 7-zip to extract the root file system tar file. Now create a directory where you want to install the Fedora on WSL2. We are choosing the Windows root directory. Copy the paths of both the created folder and the extracted tar file. Use the WSL import command with correct syntax to import the downloaded Fedora 36 root file system tar file. This should be imported quickly. Once done, you can list the installed distros on your WSL using this command. You must be seeing Fedora is there. Let's start it. You can run it with this command. You can use it normally now. Update it. Install Neo Fetch. Do anything you want. Let's add a standard user to this Fedora installation. Install these required utilities. Add your preferred user with this command. Choose a password for it. Exit PowerShell now. Start it again. Run Fedora with this command to start Fedora with newly created standard user. It's here. You are now logged in with your standard user other than root. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.